Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just doing a basic wash and go. I just got out the shower and I'm applying some curl mousse on my hair from Cream of Nature with some It's a 10 coily leave-in conditioner. And I'm taking my Denman brush and detangling that product through. Next, I'm going to take some Eco Styling Gel and style the curls. And I'm parting my hair. I'm going to take a hard board bristle brush with some Eco Styling Gel. My wash and goes are pretty easy. I just leave them wet and let it dry. I just go. This is how it after it dries. And then the next day. So this is day 2 of the wash and go that I did. So today I did like a little half up, half down. And to revamp it, I just put some water, leave-in conditioner, and a little bit of the Cream of Nature curl mousse on there to help, you know, make the curls look a little bit fresher. But yeah, that's all it is.